Rekha ji told me that in a very long time, I have not seen someone light up the screen like you have. I didn't know I was auditioning for Bunty or Bubbly 2 because, it was a secret that this film was even going to happen. I used to definitely feel very upset. I used to feel down and low and all of those things. That's exactly the feeling that we get as an actor when you don't get a particular role.
Today we have with us Sharvari Wagh, and she will be talking to us about her struggles, her success, and what fans can expect from her in 2022. So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us.
Hi.
You were an assistant director on movies like Pyar Ka Panchnama 2 and Bajirao Mastani. Now these two are
Yes.
very, very different films. So how was your experience like?
The idea to be a part of such films was so that I learn, and that's why the experience was so much more valuable because I ended up doing films like Pyar Ka Panchnama 2 was an out and out commercial and a comedy film, and Bajirao Mastani was a period drama. It was real facts. You couldn't change too much stuff about it because it was real documented events. So for me, the experience was amazing. I was obviously learning on set and I was so new. I didn't know what a clap is. I didn't know what lighting meant. So I was really trying to learn so many new things on set. So I think as an actor, it was very, very helpful for me that I saw and I learned from such different actors, different genres, even the way the direction used to take place. So everyone has their own style, and it just kind of prepares you for the future.
How was the audition for Bunty or Bubbly 2 like?
The audition for Bunty or Bubbly 2 was actually lots of fun. I didn't know I was auditioning for Bunty or Bubbly 2 because, it was a secret that this film was even going to happen. I was auditioning as any other Yash Raj film, and I've, auditioned before also. And they generally don't tell you what film you're actually auditioning for. So I used to audition on like different scenes. I remember I auditioned scenes from Jab We Met. I did scenes from Befikre. Then I did a couple dances. I did there was lip sync. I did Pataka Guddi ka lip sync for my audition. So I did lots of these things over like almost 1.5 months, and then finally I found out that it was for Bunty or Bubbly too.
You have been auditioning since 2014, if I am not wrong.
Yes.
Did those rejections frustrate you or did they prepare you as an actor for future?
Anybody would be lying if they just tell you that no, I was preparing for the future, because at the end of the day it feels like failing an exam, like putting it in simpler words for people. It's like you prepare so much and then you go for an exam and then you fail in an exam because you didn't pass. That's exactly the feeling that we get as an actor when you don't get a particular role. So I used to definitely feel very upset. I used to definitely uh, feel down and low and all of those things. And but like you said, it's all about patience, and it also is about कि जब आप घर पे इतने टाइम तक बैठते हो, तो जब आप सेट पे जाते हो ना, वो मजा कुछ और है. इट मेक्स यू वैल्यू योर वर्क मोर, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि आपने घर बैठे कितना टाइम वेस्ट किया है क्योंकि आपको काम नहीं मिल रहा था, और जब आपको काम मिला है तो उसकी अहमियत आपको पता चलती है.
What are the qualities of Aditya Chopra as a producer that you really admired while you worked with him?
I think Adi sir is for me a person. He's like a mentor to me. He's a family to me, and I think that is him with everyone who's associated with Yash Raj, not just actors but everybody who works at Yash Raj, because he has so much experience behind him. It's always good to know his insight. So if there is any doubt, there's any question, we always bounce it off Adi sir, and like I said, he's like a mentor to me, and I'm very, very grateful to have him in my corner.
In the sequel, it was you and Siddhant versus Saif and Rani. So it was
Yes.
basically a battle of four people. So what was the atmosphere on sets like?
The atmosphere on set was a lot of fun. Firstly, so when Siddhant and I met Rani ma'am and Seth, so we were fully like fangirl, fanboy. We forgot we were here to shoot because we were obviously so excited to see them. But they are so much fun. They're such fun people. Even off set, they used to do lots of tang khichai among themselves, with us, between us, with other people on set. So actually, the mahal on our set was lots of fun. It was like a family. We were enjoying. We were having a great time shooting it, and that's what matters, right? For us, the memories of our film are really happy and really sweet.
If I have to ask you, which is your favorite Yash Raj film?
My favorite Yash Raj film. See, that's a tricky one. Actually, no one's asked me this question before. I should have prepared for this. I think I really like two films. I really like. One is Dil To Pagal Hai, and the other one is Mujhse Dosti Karoge. For some reason, I just love both these films.
What are the best compliments that you received for your performance for the film?
I got a call from Rani ma'am, and she said Rekha ji wants to talk to you. And I couldn't believe it. Like for me, I think even hearing that Rekha ji wanted to talk to me was like in itself a very big moment. Forget what she said to me, but she called me and Rekha ji told me that in a very long time I have not seen someone light up the screen like you have, and followed with a lot more compliments. But for me, it meant all the world. Like Rekha ji taking that time and calling me and telling me this, for me, it's the biggest compliment ever.
So at that moment, did you feel that all the years of rejections and hard work have been paid off immediately?
Definitely, definitely. I think even when my parents watched the film, and when I saw pride in their eyes, I was like, it's worth it.
You also acted in The Forgotten Army. So is there any
Yes.
difference in the format between a show is short and a film is short?
No, we actually shot Forgotten Army because it was a mini series and it was supposed to be a 5 episode series. So actually, in total, if you combine our entire show, it's almost like 3 hours or less than that. So it's exactly how the film is shot, you know. So and Kabir sir is essentially a film director, so he definitely shot his entire show just like a film.
What are you expecting from 2022 professionally and personally?
You know, 2021 has been a start for me. It's just the beginning, and I'm very excited to see what is in store for me in 2022. There is actually a certain project which I'm very excited to share with people in 2022. So yeah, I'm very excited about that.
Thank you so much for your time, ma'am. All the best and looking forward to what you do next. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.